When the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion, we were like a mad dream. There are prayers you pray for so long that when God finally answers, you check twice to be sure it's real. There are seasons of tears that end so suddenly, you wake up smiling, wondering if it's a dream. But it's not a dream. It's restoration. It's vindication. It's God keeping His promise. The same God who restored Zion is still restoring lives today. That delay, turning into testimony. That pain, becoming purpose. That captivity, about to become celebration. Hold on. Your like the mad dream moment is coming. Psalm 126:1. When the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion, we were like them that dream. If you believe restoration is coming, type Amen and share this with someone who needs hope today.